What is up, guys? So today we're gonna go on a trip to Yosemite. The original plan was to rock climb, but since California is getting a lot of snow, we can't rock climb, but we're gonna make the best of it. And I haven't been to Yosemite in the snow while it's snowing, so I'm super excited. Hello, housekeeping. Housekeeping. Dude, I freaking love that sweater, bro.
Guess how much it was?
Like $250.
$250?
Yeah, I want to say $250.
A little off.
$220. Dude, that's a sick ass freaking sweater, dude.
This is nice.
He's gonna freak out.
Dude, I got it for $40.
Where? We're around Oakhurst right now. It's snowing. It's currently snowing. We gotta put some snow chains on. So I've never put snow chains on. Jimmy's never put snow chains on, but we're gonna figure it out, dude. We're gonna figure it out.
Okay.
There you go. That's it, dude.
We're dialed.
I think we're dialed. Yep. All right. First time driving with snow chains.
Make sure they didn't fall off.
This side's good. This side's good. How's that side?
Fucking fantastic.
Let's see how it feels on the road.
It feels weird.
Feels weird.
You think it's hitting your fender?
No. It's kind of weird, dude.
That's how they sound?
I think so.
I mean, it would make sense. I'll pull over right now.
We made it, baby. All right. So we just went to the village just to get some little bit of food. We're a bit tired because we barely got like 10 minutes, like 15 minutes of sleep. So we're gonna go to Camp 4 and get a little sleepy sleep. How you like it, dude?
It's fucking amazing. It's like out of a movie.
For real, dude. All right, let's go before I freeze my balls off. Here's our little sleeping headquarters. We got a little coffee going on. This is the coffee that I got.
So, everyone knows that after a nice warm can of chili mac, you might end up with a dirty spoon. But the cool thing about camping out in the snow is it's really easy to clean your spoon or your fork, whatever you got, just like so.
Yo, dude.
Good as new.
I just peed over there earlier, dude. So we're gonna check out these boulders. We might do a little bit of bouldering. Yeah, we definitely need some snowshoes, dude.
Oh, yeah.
We need some snowshoes, definitely, dude.
There's one male and countless women. This here, that is the alpha male of Yosemite Valley. There he goes. Stunning.
All right, can we just take a moment to appreciate this white winter wonderland?
That's amazing.
It's amazing. Just like I've been here probably like 3 times, and only like during the summer and spring, so like all the snow is melted. Well, I went in December, but it wasn't as snowy as this. So whoa, this is extremely caked.
I've never seen anything like it before in my life.
Yeah. All right, let's get a little inside look at the little studio. So we got the laptop right here. We got the coffee.
We got the cough, but most importantly, we got the beer. That's what I'm talking about.
Yeah, and then we got the microphone set up right there. Whatever, audio interface. There you go.
We're getting
Ready to
it
rock.
done.
Ready to rock.